So we are moving to the code PPREV 111. So I'm making you a panelist. Please unmute yourself and please open your webcam.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt, but now I'm ready.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Somebody we will have your after this PPREV 11. Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Visible?
Yes. 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 You are audible. You can start your presentation, please.
Good evening to one and all. I am Mohammed Misbah from Deccan School of Pharmacy. My topic for my poster presentation is the right therapy for the right patient at the right time. Personalized
Muhammad, excuse me,
yes,
Muhammad, your voice is not audible.
It's okay. Hello.
Yes, speak loudly or increase volume.
Okay, sir. Wait a sec. Is it okay now, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening to one and all. I, Mohammed Misbah of PharmD 4th year from Deccan School of Pharmacy, would like to present a poster on the topic, the right therapy for the right patient at the right time. Personalized medicine is an evolving field of medicine that uses diagnostic tools to identify specific biological makers, that is genetics, to help assess which medical treatments will be best for each patient by combining the data from these tests with the patient's medical history and circumstances. Healthcare providers can develop targeted preventive and treatment plans. Why personalized medicine? Ma'am, can you zoom it in the left side? Why personalized medicine?
College loan.
Is it fine?
Okay, ma'am. Percentages of the patient for which a particular drug in a class is ineffective is illustrated. For antidepressant, 38%, asthma drugs, 40%, diabetes drugs, 43%, arthritis drugs, 50%, Alzheimer's drugs, 70%, cancer drugs, 75%. So what is driving personalized medicine? It is safer and more effective for drugs, faster time to cure and cost effective. And the drawbacks include, the four main drawbacks are comparative educational research, incentives, research and development, and ma'am, can you go a little bit down? More. Yes, it's good. Comparative effective research, incentives, research and development, intellectual property. These are the four main drawbacks in the personalized medicine, and others include regulation, patient education, reimbursement, privacy, or ethics. How is it done? Firstly, collection of the breath sample. Ma'am, can you zoom? Yes. Sample to be either directly analyzed or on an analytical platform or collected and concentrated on a trap. Important to try and design the collection of volatile organic compounds from alveolar breath and not the esophagus. Secondly, non-targeted profiling. Apply a non-biased profiling experiment to detect as broad a range of volatile organic compound metabolites as possible. Mass spectrometer is one of the main platforms used for the profiling, such as the thermal desorption gas chromatography mass spectrometer, and protein transfer reaction of mass spectrometer. And thirdly, the biomarker selection, cleaning and pre-processing of raw profiling data, chemometric and statistical analysis of data, selection of the most statistical significant and biological relevant metabolites, development of targeted platform, targeted detection of markers identified by statistical methods, development of small portable and relatively inexpensive platforms such as eNose, that is electronic nose, a device to detect the odors and flavors, and FAME's field asymmetric mobility spectrometer, and the ease of use red light and green light system. Next, so how is it different from traditional medicine? Without personalized medicine, some benefits, some do not. But with personalized medicine, each patient receives the right medicine. We do not get to decide what the biology of these diseases are. We just have to work with it. So one size does not fit for all. Patients can respond differently. And the 4 Ps that are predictive, personalized, preventive and participatory. As the traditional one size fits all approach, in that all patients with the same diagnosis receive same treatment, but in personalized medicine approach, treatment strategy based on patient's unique genetic profile. Genetic profile A, that is targeted therapy, and genetic profile B, that is standard therapy. As far as our Indian scenario, DNA print genomics in collaboration with a Malaysian biotechnological has secured access for the development of pharmacogenomic classification products for the specific population of South Asian descent. The future of pharmacogenomics in India is bright and will be the key in bringing the reality of personalized medicine to the masses. It plays a significant role in the design of the therapeutics that minimizes the negative effects of current drugs and brings patient-centric therapy to a large population, and potential future changing the roles of patient, payer, health professionals, and pharmaceutical companies.
Mohammed, you have only 30 seconds left, please.
Okay, as the future is now the cancer therapy type, chemotherapy, hormone therapy, and epigenetic modifiers are used. It helps restrain the cost of associated with trial and error method to a disease treatment. Personalized medicine has the possibility to change the way we think about identify and manage health condition. It has now had an effective impact on the patient care and clinical research. As our knowledge and technology improves, I conclude by saying that healthcare today is in crisis as it is expensive, reactive, inefficient, and focused largely on one size fits all treatments for events of late stage. So personalized medicine is our chance to revolutionize healthcare. Thank you.
Ronald, ask first.
Okay, sir. My question is for you, Mohammed, that how this personalized medicine is differ from individualization. We already choose our drug. We
Traditional,
already set the criteria for choosing.
yes. The
So how
traditional
this is different from that?
the personalized medicine is viewed as continuation of traditional methods, ma'am. and it is equipped with tools that are more well defined. Practitioners can select treatment protocol or therapy based on patient's molecular profile. That may only reduce not only reduce adverse effects, side effects, and assure a more successful outcome. It also helps to restrain the cost with the trial and error method we use for the disease treatment.
Okay. Actually, my question is, you already said all the things you mentioned right now,
Yes, ma'am.
but how
Yeah.
this is differ from individualization criteria?
No, ma'am.
We have already,
No, in traditional medicine, some may benefit and others may not. But in personalized medicine, there is a different approach to the treatment.
how?
By,
We already choose
by
the drug according to the patient.
yes, ma'am. No, as it is the tailoring of medicine to individual characteristics of patient. The approach is on scientific breakthroughs and genetic profile. We can
Okay,
develop new
thank you.
ways in. Okay,
Muhammad, are you student or faculty?
I'm a student, sir.
Yeah, might be you are not included. You not took a suggestion from your guide. The right therapy. What madam has asked regarding therapy only. When you are going to present in this slide, you cannot justify the right therapy title. You should mention proper dispensing of drugs for the right patient at the right time. It is useful. The therapy is not in our hands. Remember,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
one thing, might be if you are included, if you are having discussion with your guide or sir, you may, because of therapy, is it therapy is in our hands?
No, sir. Just
Then how can you justify title?
yes, sir.
Justification of title. Okay, except that everything is good and then you are compelled excellent. Finally, what you want to conclude, let me know. At least you justify for conclusion.
Actually, the personalized medicine is to predict or to prevent and treat disease, and it's more accurate. Drugs and other traditional medicine treatments are created for and tested on large group of people.
Yeah, how many groups you conducted?
It's actually a review article, sir, so we didn't conduct any study.
No, you said group conducted surveyed studies that you said not right now.
No, the traditional medicine.
How can you
the
confirm that
drugs,
they are releasing accurate? No. How can you confirm that accurate?
by
You
knowing
mentioned
the
accurate
genetic
results,
profile,
you know.
sir. Yes,
Huh?
sir. By in personalized medicine, we can.
No. You said that personalized medicine is useful for accurate results. You said, na?
Yes, sir.
How can you confirm that accurate results?
Uh,
How can you finalize? How can you conclude?
we need to make research, sir.
Yeah, that's
on
one.
that.
How you
Yeah.
done?
No, sir, we didn't do any research.
How you done? It is a compelling, not research.
Yes,
It
sir.
is a review article. You should
Yes, sir.
mention that review article.
Yes, sir. I mentioned it
Okay.
before. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammed.